Quebec is the capital of the Quebec Canada. The people they come here to see the place and to eat the local delicacies like the poutine. Sounds like putana, but it's not putana, it's poutine. It's French fries, gravy and cheese. Kostas is going to buy one later and show to you how delicious it is. It's a national treasure, the poutine. Kostas out.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you.
Hello everybody, Kostas here in the Quebec is in the Canada, the French part. Apparently Kostas speaks the French. He come here to these magical waterfalls, again hunting down the beast that changes the color of the flowers. Here it is, ladies and gentlemen, the waterfalls of Quebec is the place, okay, in the Canada, the French is here, okay?
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. Ooh, I was done feeling hopeless, screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold, in your.
Kostas here about to break the law to get close to the waterfall for you guys, okay? So you don't have to risk your lives for the Kostas. Kostas risk it for the you. Welcome. Time I go here at the waterfalls of the Montmorency, they used to say that there's a leprechaun that live inside. A little Irishman. He have the pot of gold here, and Kostas is gonna go look the one he lost in the Greece. Let's see if Kostas fine. Kostas out. Hello everybody. Kostas here, break the laws for you. The police on his tail here to get closer to the falls of water. Now what creates waterfalls? Again, they hire the gypsies they hired in the beach in the Greece to come chisel in the rock. And there's a bunch of Indians taking a piece at the top. That's how a waterfall is created. Kostas out. Hello everybody, Kostas here in the Canada again. First he showed you the leaves that change the color in the Mount Tremblant. Now he's in the Quebec. It's a very old city, about 27 years old. It's very new, very young, very fresh. The history behind the Quebec and these waterfalls there is that this land was taken by the Indians, not the ones that are taught in The Simpsons, the ones that they act in the Western movies, okay? They own this land, welcome, and the French, they come from the French and they take the land. And now they own this place, they make it very nice, they make good economy, and they only speak the French. Only speak the French. You speak the English, they punch you in the face and they kick you in the nuts. So next time you come to the Quebec, you have to learn the French. Allô, bonjour, comment ça va? Voulez-vous coucher avec moi ce soir? Okay? Kostas out. See you at the town center. Hello everybody, Kostas here. Kostas here at the old Quebec. There is a mural of what it used to be like 1700 years ago. And also they have filmed movies like Pirates of the Caribbean here. This is true. Google it. I don't know much of the history, but Pirate Barbossa was not here. Kostas OUT. So here we are at the old houses. Where the French people used to sit and go, oh, we take over the Canada, and the Trois. I tried the French with you, but not very good because I Greek. So this is true. They would sit here and contemplate who they were going to conquer. Very nice picnic table where they sit and they speak the French and the Trois, 4, 5, 6. Je veux coucher avec vous ce soir. This is true. Kostas coucher avec moi ce soir. And they come here, they speak. Many years ago in the 1653, this is true, Google it. 1653 Kostas tour guide in Quebec. And they come here, they negotiate with Captain Barbossa what they're gonna do. But this is the history, this is true. The Greeks did not come here. Sadly, that's why Kostas come here to show it to you. Kostas OUT. Hello everybody, Kostas here. Kostas here in this little town here. Where people just come to think they feel like they're in Paris. Also, movie stars like Leonardo DiCaprio have filmed the movie here, where he pretends he's everybody, but he's not. Leonardo DiCaprio, Kostas' friend, it's true. Google this. Leonardo DiCaprio and Kostas. And yes, this is true. They come here to confuse themselves that they're in Paris because they have no money to go to the real Paris. Kostas OUT. If you have any disagreement with my facts, you Google and the Kostas OUT.